Hello everyone, I really hope you're doing well. I am making this video to share something very amazing with you that I experienced in the last few days, and I really felt I should share with all of you and hope that this word reaches more and more people as well. In the last few months, more than a year now, we have been facing a lot of things that we know of because of the pandemic. But what we have also faced and observed is just the immense amount of humanity and compassion that people have been showing to their fellow human beings, or to animals, or to nature, or to anything and everyone around them. In the last few days, I have also experienced something very special yet again in the last 1 year and a few months, and that is the power of gratitude, the power of love, and the power of trust. And these three very powerful emotions, these three very powerful values I experienced in the last few days because of you. So I am making this video exclusively to express my gratitude to all you people who showed me your love, your trust, and you were grateful and you helped me be grateful. And now let me just tell you what I'm talking about. So just a few days before my birthday, I started this birthday fundraiser, which I had started last year as a practice. I thought I'll just repeat it and see if I can help more people with that. And I made a plea to all of you, asking you all to join hands with me to support two initiatives for which we were raising funds. And I just realized a few things in my journey of raising funds for these two initiatives. One most important reflection was that people in this 1 year or so have just grown so much more richer. And when I say richer, it doesn't necessarily mean only by money or wealth or any materialistic possession, but richer by heart, and richer, most importantly, by will. A lot of people have resources, a lot of people have the heart to do it, do good to others, but very few of those actually go ahead and show that will, exercise that will to do good, overcoming every other obstacle that they have. So I observed in the last few days that people have actually grown so much more richer by will, and they have so open-heartedly extended their support, both in terms of kind and money. And I really want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. And of course, all of you, somewhere or the other, you showed your love towards me, love towards the people that I was trying to help, and you showed your most important, most precious trust on me, because I heard this over and over again, where people who donated to the causes said that, Ashwini, we trust you, and we know that you have chosen the right beneficiaries, where we know that this is going to go and actually help people. So that shows your trust in me, and thank you so much for that. So I just want to also add in a few details and information of what happened in the last few days, which is, I had set out to raise a minimum of 29,000 given my 29th birthday, and last year the target was to raise 28,000 for two initiatives, and last year we had ended up raising a total of 66,000 rupees for both the initiatives, and it was a phenomenal fundraising in just 4 or 5 days. And this year my heart just fills up as I share this information with you, as I share this news with you, is that this year the target was 29,000, but I am so pleasantly overwhelmed at the end of the fundraiser, where we were able to, I'll not say I was able to, I'll say we were able to raise a total of 1,54,000 rupees for two different initiatives. I'll just repeat the initiatives here. One was to give out educational and nutrition kits to at least 500 children of underprivileged areas of Dharwad, and this initiative was led by Shri Shankar Halgati of Dharwad. And the second initiative was to feed people, give them ration, give them food supplies in the slums of Bangalore, Neelsandra and Koramangala nearby area. which is being led by Venkat sir, and people have generously contributed with 1,54,000 of total. I'll be already the transfers have been made to the two initiatives, 77,000 to each of the initiatives, and with that we were able to help feed or give away rations supplies of 500 worth a kit to more than 150 families, which will feed them for about 2 weeks. And the other initiative of Dharwad, we will be able to give out more than 300 children the nutrition and educational kits, which will be worth around 200 to 250 rupees. And this initiative is in progress right now. So thank you so much for this love that you have shown to both the initiatives, to all these people, and this thanks is from me and all those people that you have fed and you have given a source of learning and education today through all your blessings and wishes and sharings. And you may not have contributed a penny to this, but you have contributed your love and trust to this, because this was a time when I had a lot of people share this news to others. So although I had a 41 total donors in this fundraiser, not all these 41 are from my circle. These are from networks of my networks, and I really want to thank you all for sharing the word proactively and actually taking that step towards it. So thank you so much for doing that. And I feel, just before closing this out, I think this is just going to be more successful if we start creating a chain of gratitude. So I invite you all to do either of these next 2 or 3 things. One, in your own circle, choose something, some fundraiser, some cause that's very dear to you, and try to raise funds for it, or try to raise some kind of support for it. I know a lot of you are doing it. I know a lot of you are contributing to something, but see if you can start something on your own like this. And I'm very sure, I'm talking from my experience, there's a huge potential and possibility in this. So try and see if you can do that. Add a personal touch. I'm very sure this is going to reach a lot more people, and you can do a lot more by joining hands than by yourself alone. And that's what I did. It was successful for me. I'm very sure it's going to be successful for you as well. Second option is just spread the word. There are a lot of causes which are actually raising funds and support in different ways. Go and find them out on social media, and you will find something that connects to you, and spread the word for that. And the last thing is, just continue doing the good that you do every day. Be it just feeding the animals outside your house, or making sure your house help has all they need to survive this situation, or it could be your apartment watchman, or it could be anyone around you that you feel is in need of. Just look around for some time, and there will be something that really touches you, that connects to you, and go ahead. Don't think twice. Just go ahead and do what is in your capacity, and I don't think there will be any limits to it. So with that, I would like to thank you all again. Please keep showing the same love to me, to all the people around you, and to yourself most importantly as well. Take care, stay safe, and thank you so much again for making my birthday a very, very, very fruitful and grateful and an amazing one. Special thanks to my new parents, my in-laws, and my husband, who joined hands with me and blessed me and wished me luck and were with me throughout this process, and also my parents and my sister and all my well-wishers who stood by me in this process. Thank you so much again.